Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Civic SR. Now as you can see, it is finished in platinum white. You do get 4 front parking sensors, you get halogen fog lights, LED daytime running lights, and of course, most importantly, LED projector housings. You then get your 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, all of which have been freshly refurbished as part of its preparation process. Moving around to the rear as well, you'll notice you have 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a reversing camera just up at the top here, which does make this thing nice and easy to park. You've then got plenty of room in the boot area. You've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and you do have this very convenient pull-over privacy shelf, as you can see. Moving around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round and full automatic windows as well. We've got electric adjustment for the wing mirrors as well as power fold. We've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold, your ECON, and then your stop start off. We've got your dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display, as you can see just there. You also have full satellite navigation, your various audio sources just here, and then we do, last but not least, have your Bluetooth hands-free. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, onboard computer control, Bluetooth hands-free, and your voice assistant. The arrows here also work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer up top. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, and lane keep assist on the right hand side. And then we do also have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 41,063 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.